Fastidious Foo here. Today I'm here to do an unboxing video of Noctua's NH-U9S fan. So this is a 95mm tower cooler, U-type tower cooler, which is a CPU cooling fan. And I have used similar fans before from Noctua, and the advantage of their product is that they're very quiet. So let me show you the whole sides of the box. So it shows the dimensions of the fan and the heatsink. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So on the very top, it has the accessories and mounting system. And the fan with the heatsink on the bottom. So let's see first what is in the accessories kit. The installation manual. For different types. These are the mounting bars. For Intel, so that it's NM-IM83. So I think this part is for Intel processors. It's got the nuts and bolts and the mounting bracket. It's NM-IBP2. So that's what it is for LJ115X types. On the left side, there are different mounting kits. So this is the NM-AMB11. And these are different from the NM-IMB3. You can see the difference in shape and size. And also, it comes with the common parts that can be used. So it's a pretty high-grade thermal paste. So what else it comes with? The low noise adapter, which is part NA-RC7, and a clip for the second NF-A9 fan, and comes with a screwdriver, which is very useful. So those were the accessories. And let's see what the actual main part looks like. Get the whole box out. There we go. It's a little difficult to open, but this is the heatsink and the actual fan. There's the connecting cable here. And if there's enough space, you can mount another fan on the other side. Alright, so that is all I have for the unboxing video of Noctua's NH-U9S CPU cooling fan. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time.